Okay, so we're trying to make this, but we don't have my cell phone working. So I'm using like the laptop camera, right? Check the bacon. The bacon should be done by now. I know there was a lot cooking, but like it still shouldn't be pink. You know what I mean? There's always that one piece that is though. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. I mean, maybe we'll just leave that pink piece there and just let that one cook by itself or something. That's funny. Like no matter how hard you try, there's always a piece that's still going to be pink at the end. Look, see this one? It's still pink. Oh my goodness. Ah well, sometimes you just can't win, eh? So some of the pieces are going to be a little bit extra well done this time. It's okay though. You can still use it. It's still going to taste good. Leave that one there to cook a bit longer. Oh, we got some grease. Okay, put that one over there. This one's good. Yeah, okay. We'll just leave those ones to cook. And I'll get some paper towel to like take the grease off this. Yeah, it's pretty greasy. It's kind of funny though. You ever see like Trailer Park Boys? That's a funny show. SpongeBob's also another good one. Okay. I'm trying to like move the camera so you can see what I'm doing over here. So I got some bacon there. And I'm gonna have to okay. I'm gonna start removing the grease off of it. There we go. And just press on that there and get that grease off of it. Yeah. Yeah, we're just removing the grease. That's what we're doing. We're gonna be heart healthy on this channel by just removing all this grease. It's so greasy it sticks to the paper towel, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm removing the grease. I'm just removing that grease. There we go. Just keep pressing it down. Yeah, you know, just do what you gotta do to get that extra grease off. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Don't worry, this is gonna be good when it's done. Now, I figured I should show you what I've been planning to do, right? So we got 2 new hamburger ideas. And I figure now is as good a time as any to work on them. So, the first one, I think we're going to call it, you know what, let's call it the Big Colonel King. The Big Colonel King. So this is going to be a completely original idea. It's going to be fun too. So what we're going to do is we'll just take this here, okay. So to make a Big Colonel King, here's what we're going to need. We're going to need like a base, right? So we got a little base here. And then we're going to put a beef patty on, right? Put that on there. Now we're going to need some cheese. And just ignore the sound outside. There's not really anything we can do about that, even if it is mildly annoying. Yeah, just ignore that. Just ignore that. I'm going to have to find a way to open this cheese though, because we're going to need this. I might need scissors or something. You would have thought I'd have the scissors out, but sometimes things just get misplaced. I'll go see if I can find some scissors or something else. Yep, we found some scissors. So we're going to open the cheese, and it's going to taste really good trust me, I thought about this for a while, I planned it out. Oh man, we're going to have such good hamburger today. Okay. We're getting it open, See? This is going to taste good. Trust me on this is going to be worth it. So, now we're going to need, did they put an extra thing of plastic wrap on the inside of this? Probably. I don't know if this is actually like plastic or if this is like cheese, but oh, it tastes like cheese. Doesn't taste like plastic. So maybe this just is the cheese block. Does this look like a cheese block, guys? Yeah, you think so? Okay, so let's get our cheese slice going. Just do that. Make sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. And we'll just like cut off like a thin piece of it. Not too thin. So that's a little bit too thin. It's okay. You get to practice one. Oh, try again. I don't mind making mistakes because this is fun. This is tasty practice. Cheese is pretty good. Almost the right size. Okay. I'll have to keep practicing. Well, come on. Ow! Man, I'm not getting this. This doesn't really cut very easily. It's hard to make into slices. I guess I have to keep trying though. Okay. Okay, now it's going. Look at that. This looks better. This is kind of more of what I was trying to go for. The classic slice of cheese shape, right? So you put that on there. Look at that. Oh, now we're cooking. Okay, see it? Now, I've got some spicy mayonnaise here. So obviously if it's spicy, it's going to taste better, right? And the other kind of cool thing is it kind of looks almost like sauce from another restaurant that will remain nameless with our big Colonel King. Our big Colonel King. I'm trying to get this in the shot here. There we go, that's a better shot. Okay. So now, we put our spicy mayo on our big Colonel King. Whoop. Doesn't that kind of look like a certain sauce that will remain nameless? Look at that. Look at that. Okay. We got our hamburger coming along. Now you put another patty in between here. Right. Now we put our chicken. Get it? It's a big Colonel King. So, you know, Colonel's like chicken, right? Colonel and chicken. And then it's kind of got that, like the big, you know, another, you know, do you see where I'm going with this? The big Colonel King. And then we put our bacon on it. Okay. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Okay. And we put more mayo on it. Spicy mayo. Come on. Come on. Whoop. Okay. And then we put the top bun on it. You know, should I put another thing of cheese on there? Oh, cheese. I think it's got enough cheese. Yeah. Okay. And then look at that. The big Colonel King. Isn't that beautiful? Now we got to test it. Okay. It's good, guys. It's really good. So, that's delicious, guys. A big Colonel King. Right? I can't stop eating it. Okay. So that's the big Colonel King. You've seen it here first. This is a delicious hamburger.